how to redeem Xbox or Microsoft gift card. If you want to redeem your Xbox or Microsoft gift card, it's fairly simple to do so. What you do is you simply open up your browser and you want to go to xbox.com/redeem. I repeat, xbox.com/redeem. I'll make sure to drop a direct link in the description box below as well, where you have to make sure to sign in to your respective Xbox or Microsoft account. Make sure it is the correct account so as not to redeem into the incorrect one. When you're here, you can see it says redeem your Xbox digital code or gift card. So here you can see redeem now button in the green button. Tap on the redeem now option over there. On the next page, you simply have to enter your 25-character code. So with the Microsoft product key or gift card, you can get access to a wide selection of the latest apps, games and premium devices. Just make sure to redeem your Microsoft or Xbox gift card and you can enter the 25-character code and tap the next option to redeem it. So this way you'll be able to go ahead and then redeem your Xbox gift card. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.